Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Wikipedia entry on your Wix.com website. So first off, let's start from the dashboard here and then click on Edit Site. Once you click on this, it'll take you onto this website here. It's called the Wix Website Editor. Now, to create a Wikipedia entry, first off, let's get our Wikipedia entry here. So for example, this is a Wikipedia entry of a hamburger. I want you to go onto the dashboard here and just copy and paste this. Copy. Now go to Google and then search up Wikipedia Embed. Wikipedia Embed. Now scroll down and then go to here, iframely. Click on it. Copy and paste the link you just copied from here. So paste it here. Click on check it. Let it fetch. Now there will be this code here. Press copy code. Now let's go back to the Wix website editor. Click on the left-hand page on Add Elements. On Add Elements, scroll down and then click on Embed Code. On Embed Code, click on this Embed HTML right here. Embed HTML. Click on that. Now on here, paste in the code you copied from the other one. So right there. Scroll down, click on Update. Let's exit out. And now you have a Wikipedia entry on your Wix.com website, just like this.